What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to manage and disable notifications from apps on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, open up your Windows settings and under System, select Notifications. Expand the Notifications section to reveal a list of notification settings, such as allowing notifications to play sounds, or if you should see any notifications on the lock screen. Adjust these three options to your preference. Moreover, you can enable Do Not Disturb to temporarily disable all Windows notifications. They will still show up in your notification center. To adjust Do Not Disturb settings, expand the Turn on Do Not Disturb automatically section. This allows you to automatically enable or disable Do Not Disturb and subsequently disable all Windows notifications depending on the time of day. Below, change your Do Not Disturb options. I like enabling this option as soon as a game is launched. If some Windows notifications are of utmost importance, you can configure and add them in the Priority Notification section. These notifications will appear even if Do Not Disturb is enabled. If an app you wish to enable is not listed here, then click Add Apps and select it from this list. Using a combination of Do Not Disturb and Priority Notifications, you can effectively manage your Windows notifications. If you don't want notifications from a particular app at all, you can disable them permanently under Notifications from Apps and Other Senders. Simply toggle off the applications whose notifications you do not want to see. Lastly, if regular notifications from Windows Security constantly distract you, open up your Windows Local Group Policy Editor by searching for gpedit.msc in your Start menu search. Expand Administrative Templates and then Windows Components. Scroll down to find Windows Security and expand this section to access the notifications options. Choose either Hide Non-Critical Notifications or Hide All Notifications. Double-click to open it, set it to Enabled, hit Apply, and then click OK. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.